Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. In our last class, we were discussing about the chapter Plants Around Us, where we have discussed about the different plants around us like trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. There are many factors that affect the growth of the plant, and the plants they grow in different places based on their atmospheric conditions. So we can find plants growing all around us. So plant can grow anywhere, but it should receive sunlight, then proper air, then enough water and a good quality of soil. So likewise we can find different plants growing on plains. Plains means the large flat areas of land. They are called plains. So we can find different plants growing on plains, then mountains, then we have forest, then we have deserts, and even the plants grow well in the areas that receive snowfall throughout the year. Even we can find some plants growing on land and some plants they grow very well in water. So we have seen that plants they grow in different places. If we see plants that grow on the plains, then the plants like rice, jute, wheat, then sugarcane, they grow very well on the plains. The areas that are hot and wet, there rainforests grow very well. Rainforest means they are the dense evergreen forest. So hot areas they receive most of the rainfalls also. So the trees they grow very well. So the rainforests they grow very well in hot and wet areas. Same way, the places that are sunny throughout the year. Sunny means they receive maximum number of sunlight throughout the year and equally rains also. In those places, the trees like coconuts they grow very well. So we can find generally these type of places they are very near to the coastal areas. That means they are the coastal areas very near to the sea or any ocean. So we can find the coconuts mostly in such type of areas where the land it receives most of the rains. Same way the orchids and groves they grow very well in warm places. Warm means neither too hot nor too cold. So that is somewhat warm. So in those places they grow very well. The orchids and groves means the fruit plants of different fruits. Plants of different fruits. If we see the long and thick grass, you can find these type of grass in the hot African regions. So they grow very well in hot African regions. If we see in the North Arctic circle or region, Arctic means that is in the extreme north of our earth, or we can say of the world, or if you see the globe then it is at the topmost. So there the plants they grow they can grow very near to the ground because they have to protect them through the cold winds. So in the Arctic region we know that the sunlight never reaches there directly. So most of the time they are covered with snow, and this snow can spoil the plants. So there the plants they grow very near to the ground so that they can protect themselves from the icy cold winds. The plants like we have birch, then pine, then willow, these can grow very well in the mountain regions where they receive snowfall in the winter season. Have you observed these plants that grow in the cold regions, or we can say in the snowfalls, the plants that receive the snowfall most of the time? So in these regions the plants they have the long leaves, and they have leaves in the form of cone shape so that the ice can easily slide down. Otherwise the ice can spoil the plant. It can make the plant die. So there the plants are in the cone shape and the leaves are long and slanted so that the eyes can easily slide down. So we have seen, students, that different plants, they grow according to the climate of that particular place, and they can adjust very easily to these climates. If you see the plants like cactus, date palms and all, they grow very well in the deserts. In deserts there is very less water and the water is very deep under the ground. So, and these plants, they can grow very well in deserts, and they have spines, and these spines protect them from the loss of water, and they have the roots very deep into the ground so that they can absorb the water that is present in these places very deep. So, in deserts the water is very deep, and the plants like date palms, cactus, they have very deep roots and they can absorb the water. They can survive with very little water. So, like that, the different plants grow as per their survival, as per the atmospheric conditions. So, the plants, they depend on the atmospheric conditions of that particular place, and they can adjust very nicely with those places, and they grow very well there. Not only on land, the plants can grow in water also. If you see the lotus, then water lily, then duckweeds, water hyacinth, they grow very well in waters like seas, then rivers, ponds and all. They have the leaves, they have wax coated leaves that protect them from the water. That means even though they live in water, but they have the leaves that is wax coated so that they can easily survive in water. So, the plants that grow in different places have very special features that help them to adjust to that particular climate, to that particular atmosphere, and they can survive very easily there. So, accordingly, the plants can grow on land, the plants can grow in water also. But the atmospheric conditions like sunlight, then amount of water, then air and soil, these things are very important for the plant to grow, to survive. So, students, it is our responsibility to give water to the plants that are present all around us. We should take care of these plants. We should give them water. We should see that they are getting enough sunlight and all. These plants are very helpful for us. So, in our next video, we will discuss about the different uses of the plants, how these plants are like our friends, how they help us. So, they help us in many ways. That we will discuss in our next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.